Hello, guys. How are you all? I think all you are super fine. And if you have any problems in your life, uh, just rid of those problems and just re- remain the remember the past happiness, past feelings. If you are feeling low, then you can go back to your past. You can recall your memories, which is the best one in your life, and what you did in your life, because past is the most beautiful thing which gives happiness to our present. So recall your past if your mood swings were down. Okay, guys. So this video is all about motivation, guys. uh, if you are feeling so sad or so low, then if you have done anything good in your past, anything great in your past, just recall the things, because past always gives happiness for us. Memories are all the awesome things which can keeps in our heart. So it always gives happiness in your smile, in your face. So make a smile on your face. Recollect all the past memories which you have done in the very great way. Recall your childhood memories. Then you will find the greatness of yourself. Guys, love yourself. Take care of yourself. Always be mindful to your activities. If there is any you want to change anything in your life, or you want to change your mindset, uh, things you have done wrong, you want to change, you can't change the things, but you can change your way of thinking. You can change your mindset. Oh no, I should not do like this, I should do like this. After doing some things, if the things get wrong, then you can change the way, you can change the way of thinking, because changing the way of thinking all is not changing your personality. You just change it the way you are thinking, because if you are getting anything sad, in any things, just recall what you have done wrong in the past, and reset your present, and give more advanced knowledge to your future. So guys, for now, this is a simple video. I don't know, I'm feeling very happy today. I don't know what's the reason behind it, but I'm feeling very happy today. And if you are feeling low, just go back to your memories. Just remind, or just recall what you have done, the things in your life in a great way. Just recall those things and change the feeling in your mind about yourself. Don't make yourself, no, I can't do anything, my life is that like that only. Don't think like that, because everybody's life there is a u-turn, there is a change in everybody's life. But we want to be very patient during our lives, because in our life, every journey, every part, everything, every moment, every second is much more beautiful, much more surprises, much more happiness, much more sadness, everything. But we need to take all the things, and we need to learn. We need to improve our way of thinking, improve our knowledge from everything of our life, because life is the best part. There is a lot of stages. If, for example, if a child was trying to do or trying to learn cycling, then the child first of all fear to sit on the cycle, and he fear how to start, or how to make cycling with his legs forward. He can do backward, but he can't do forward. So Guys, every second, every moment in our life is a great opportunity for us. Don't feel low, feel happy, feel confident. And I know things may get worse. Uh, Even though uh, we we go on to the bed and we cry a lot of times for ourselves, for our badness, for our worst and things. But guys, cry, cry until you're feeling sad. Well, gone. Try until your sadness was there in your heart. Guys, one last thing, that if you cried, then only you will, your heart releases some burden from your eyes. Then you can automatically be confident or watch something which is really comedy, because hilarious happiness will comes always from the comedy things. So watch some comedy shows or watch some hilarious speeches or anything else that makes you happy. Guys, be confident on yourself, love yourself, keep respect. Self respect is much more important. If we if we don't have self respect, if we don't have confidence on ourselves, then we can't do anything for our life. We can't do anything to move a step forward. So be patient, guys. Everything, every part of our life be okay. For now, it is worsened, but in the future, maybe, maybe we get a good things, a good news, a good moments we can feel in our life. Everybody's life was so curious, so surprises, and a lot of mistakes. But move forward. So, guys, that's it for now. I think I spoke a lot today, but guys, this is the motivation because I have also cried. Of course, every human cry a lot of times, but we need to move on. We need to step forward. It's the main thing. Okay, guys, that's all for now. So don't stop learning English and recall your memories. Then your sadness will run away from yourself. Okay, guys, it's a good day for all you. I'm wishing the God that you people will get what you want in your life. So, guys, that's all for now. Thank you for everyone who are listening my madness stories. No, it was not at all a madness because I'm feeling my feelings are coming from my mouth as words. So thank you for listening with a lot of patience, and thank you guys. And this speech, these words came from my heart. And thank you guys. Thank you very much for listening with a lot of patience. And don't stop learning English. Thank you.